Hello, greetings. I'm Marina Orms, the founder of Astrology Heals at astrologyheals.com. Today is Tuesday, June 7th, 2022, and I wanted to share with you a little bit of the vibe of the day. We're doing astrology for unshakable self-care, and astrology can really support our self-care because it helps us understand the energies we are in the midst of. And when we understand that, it helps us not be so hard on ourselves. It helps us go, oh, okay, maybe I did that because of, where the moon is, or maybe that came up because it's part of a process, and it helps us just get that perspective of what's going on. So what's going on today is that the moon is in Virgo. I talked about Virgo yesterday and a Virgo moon and how important and special that is. So I recommend you check out yesterday's video if you missed it. For more insights into how to work with a Virgo moon. Today, this morning, 7:48 Pacific time, 10:48 if you're on the East Coast, and you can adjust for your own time zone, is the first quarter moon. That means for this moon cycle, we have moved, the moon and sun have moved 90 degrees apart from the new moon when they were together. So 90 degrees of separation means we see half the moon in the sky, and we call that first quarter because it is the first of four quarters that we see throughout the moon cycle. The first quarter is part of the waxing half. It's when the moon is getting bigger each day, and the first quarter comes halfway through that waxing phase from new moon to full moon. And the first quarter brings an opportunity to shift something. So there's some pressure, a challenge, something that doesn't feel comfortable or doesn't quite fit, that is asking us to shift our perspective, how we are thinking about things, how we are engaging with the things that we want to work on and heal and manifest and create. So when we work with the moon cycle, if we can set our intentions at the new moon, that's the perfect time for planting seeds. It's when we want to say, yeah, here's what I want. Here's what I want to create. Here's what's important to me. And when you make that statement, it helps set things in motion. So at the first quarter, what's been set in motion then is like an answer back to you from the universe saying, okay, you want this. Here's what you need to change. Here's what needs to shift in any number of things. It could be the way you think about something. It could be the way you talk to someone. It could be the way you feel. It could be something that needs to get processed. The point is that at the first quarter, typically something is showing up in your life that says, okay, here's your intention. Here's what you need to look at, and maybe some of the ways that you might need to change to be the person you need to be to make those things happen. And so there's kind of a humility to this process as we go through it, where we recognize that here are the things we want, but we're not just passively waiting for the universe to deliver the things we want without us having to do anything. We actually get to grow and change and evolve and become better people and learn more about ourselves as we go through the process. And through that process of growing and learning, we get more effective, and we also are more able to be creators of the things that we want, the things that are important to us, and we're more able to express ourselves more authentically. So that's what the first quarter moon is bringing for today, as the moon completes its transit through Virgo, and then after Virgo, the moon will go into Libra. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe on my YouTube channel, Astrology Heals, and check me out at astrologyheals.com so I can share more of these wonderful bits of astrological, unshakable self-care for you. All right. Talk to you next time. Bye for now.